Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to crochet a tiny scorpion. First, create a magic ring with 6 single crochet stitches. In round 2, crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch around. In round 3, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, repeat 6 times. In round 4, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch, repeat 6 times. In round 5, 3 single crochets, 1 double crochet, repeat 6 times. In round 6, 2 single crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 single crochets, repeat 6 times. In round 7, 5 single crochets, 1 double crochet, repeat 6 times. In rounds 8 to 14, crochet 42 single crochets in each round without increasing or decreasing. In round 15, 5 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. In round 16, 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. In round 17, 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. In round 18, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, repeat 6 times. Stuff the piece with fiber fill or cotton to give it shape. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. Crochet 6 single crochets, then fasten off, leaving a 15 to 20 centimeter tail for sewing. The hat is crocheted similarly to the face using this pattern. Place the face inside the cap and adjust it to be symmetrical. Five single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. Two single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets, repeat 6 times. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Using yarn, make a magic ring and crochet 3 single crochets. In each stitch, crochet 2 single crochets, increase in every stitch. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, repeat 3 times, then fasten off and cut the yarn. Make another identical piece following the same steps. Crochet a similar piece but smaller, following the same pattern up to round 3. In round 4, 2 single crochets, 1 double crochet, repeat 3 times. Join the 2 pieces together by crocheting 21 single crochets across both ends, then crochet 2 rounds of 21 single crochets each without increasing or decreasing. In round 7, 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 4 times, then finish with 1 single crochet. In round 8, 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 4 times, then finish with 1 single crochet. Crochet 13 single crochets. Stuff the piece with fiber fill or cotton to give it shape. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 4 times, then finish with 1 single crochet. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Make another identical part following the same pattern as above to complete the piece. For the small hair, use yellow yarn. Start with a magic ring and crochet 8 single crochets, then close the round and fasten off by cutting the yarn at the first stitch. Make another identical piece of hair following the same pattern as above. For the larger hair, start with a magic ring and crochet 8 double crochets. Tighten the yarn and close the magic ring at the first stitch, then fasten off, cut the yarn, and weave in the ends. For the eyes, make 2 magic rings using yellow yarn, following the same pattern as the small hair. Using red yarn, crochet 6 chain stitches. Turn and crochet 5 single crochets starting from the second chain from the hook. Continue by crocheting 5 chain stitches. Turn and crochet 4 single crochets starting from the second chain from the hook. Continue by crocheting 4 chain stitches. Turn and crochet 3 single crochets starting from the second chain from the hook. Crochet 1 slip stitch, then cut the yarn, leaving a 15-centimeter tail for sewing. For the other leg, work similarly but in reverse, following this pattern. Crochet 4 chain stitches, turn and crochet 3 single crochets. Crochet 5 chain stitches, turn and crochet 4 single crochets. Crochet 6 chain stitches, turn and crochet 5 single crochets. Then, proceed as before to finish the leg. Finish the other leg in the same way, then cut the yarn, leaving a 15-centimeter tail for sewing. Create a magic ring and crochet 4 single crochets into it. Crochet 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, repeat 2 times. From round 3 to round 10, crochet without increasing or decreasing, using the same number of stitches as in round 2. In round 11, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, repeat 3 times. Round 12, 2 single crochets, 1 double crochet, repeat 3 times, then fasten off and weave in the ends. Stuff a little fiber fill into the tail and shape it to curve upward slightly. Use pins to secure the parts in place, then glue them together with adhesive. For the 2 legs, sew them together using a needle and thread. After sewing the legs, use black yarn to stitch the eyes and mouth.